want to tell him, dang, that's risky. That's a tough situation, okay? I don't know. All right, today I'm checking out A Flock of Seagulls. I'm listening to the song, What Am I Supposed to Do? Let's get into it. Man, it's on super upbeat. It's like a nice upbeat dancey song, but then also has that pew pew pew. What am I supposed to do? Pew pew pew. I guess he's dating somebody who he said you're lying. Another shadow from the past. So she probably has a really, nasty past or something, which she could just told him about in the beginning, but she didn't, and so she's lying about it. And then he's finding out about probably all the crazy things she did in college. Like, you're not probably supposed to tell people about that, but maybe he met someone that she knew. You know what I mean? People find out. People find out about that crazy stuff. If you're getting double stuff like Oreo, your future husband may find out, and it may change things. Might want to tell him, dang, that's risky. That's a tough situation, okay? I don't know. That seems like what's going on here. Shadows from her past. She's lying about it. Now he don't know what to do. It's really upbeat. Maybe that's like kind of anxiety. I feel like I'm moving a lot to the song. I feel like a little crackhead or something just bouncing around in my chair. But then you also got that pew, 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 which is a little bit of a sadder sound. So it's like, I don't know. That's like a mixed bag of emotions.
The way that you smile, it is a
So yeah, I feel like this song, it was pretty stimulating. Like, you know, that really upbeat, whatever those were, synth drums or something like that was pretty stimulating. But vocals, and then that other sound that I kept making, that plus the vocals, what am I supposed to do? Those were kind of like reflective and relaxing sounds. So that's what I'm saying. It's a mixed bag of emotions. Like, you want to dance to this, but then you also just want to sit back and ponder, what am I supposed to do? What is he supposed to do? What did she do? What did she do that he found out about that she was lying about? It's like, dang. If this song is based on a true story, I really want to know. Oh, there's a little about. It better not be just about the album. I want to know. I want to know the details of what was going on. Oh, I think it's just about the album. What am I supposed to do is list it as the 4th track on a Flock of Seagulls album. The album was released. The song is based on Mike Score's signature vocals, new wave romantic lyricism. Oh, I thought he was going to say the song is based on this true event. And their famous synthesizer bass sound, also done by Mike Score. Okay. Yeah, nah, it's nothing. It's nothing about the actual song. Hey, damn curious. What did she do?
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. To the go. She told me, boy, you the go. Like, I don't know.